Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the new Fenty Killawatt highlighter, liquid highlighter. So this is it. This is the new highlighter and I have the shade Honey HAWTIE and it's shade number 4. You can't see that, but it's shade number 4. It's Honey HAWTIE, and this review is basically just to show the color. And so I'm just going to be showing the color for those of you who are on YouTube trying to find out what does Honey HAWTIE look like. I'm going to show you what it looked like up against my skin tone, okay? And so because we know like most products are not really too far apart from each other, they sometimes all have the same consistency, but sometimes you just want to know what shade is it, what does it look like against a certain skin tone. And so I'm going to put it on, if you're my skin tone, or if you just, you just want to see the color, here it is. Alright, so it comes in this little squeezy tube, which I like because it's clean. And so I've been really enjoying liquid blush, liquid, of course, foundation, and now liquid highlighters. I've been using liquid highlighters underneath my foundation a lot, which I love. Sometimes I even put powder foundation under my powder highlighter under my foundation, but liquid is the best for me. So let's go. I got a little palette on my hand, but let's put a little bit there. All right, so you can see. Mind my squinting. All right, I don't have my glasses on just so y'all can see. There we go. Oh wait, there we go. So y'all can see me when I put it on my face. So this is Honey HAWTIE. Honey HAWTIE. That's it. I'll blend it out a little more. Okay, a little blend there. And this is like Freestyle highlighter, so you can put this anywhere. You can highlight it anywhere you want, It's up to you. So that's it. And now what I would like to do, and what I noticed was, because I did swatch this before, it dries pretty fast. So you have to work a little fast. So I'm gonna put a little spot on my hand again. Just a little bit. I don't know if you see the little dot right there. Yeah. And I'm going to start with my finger application first, and then I'll go back with the brush. And so let's see, that's what I normally do. I normally use my finger and I do like a press it into my skin, but like also swipe it type thing. Okay, so that was like wasn't even a lot that I did there. Okay. Alright, so just with the little dot I did, what I will say is it's very natural with that little bit. I'm gonna go a little harder, and I'm gonna go add a little more. Okay, let's do this again. I added more to my hand, and I'm not saying that what I'm doing is the reason why it's not giving you that. It's because I'm taking, you have to, with highlighter, you cannot go in. You cannot go in like that. You gotta go, gotta be careful. You know what I mean? So you're gonna be looking like too highlighted. It kind of takes away from it. Okay, move back a little bit so y'all can see that. So it's very Honey HAWTIE. I was afraid that it was gonna be too flashy, but it's not, because I was gonna go with I think it's butter bronze, but I decided not to, because with the butter bronze it seemed like it was only for a chill, like just give you that natural everyday highlight. But I was looking for something that is everyday, but if I wanted to bring it up, I could if I wanted to, and that's what I think Honey HAWTIE can do for me. So so yeah, I think this is super natural. I'm gonna go a little more to see how far I can push it. Let's see how far I can push it. Don't mind my nails, because I'm gonna do my nails tomorrow. I'm waiting for my Amazon package to come. You know how that goes. Okay, so what I'm noticing is, no matter how much I put on here, using finger application. Yeah, there we go. I was just pushing it to the max to see how far I can go with it. Okay, as you can see, the more I went, the more kilowatt I got. Yeah, the more kilowatt I got, the more I put. So I do like that. Let me do that. So you can see that. Yeah, it's nice, right? This color's good. This color works. So if you are my skin tone and you were wondering if you should go with butter bronzed or Honey HAWTIE, and you like the way this look, Honey HAWTIE is fine. Sorry, I don't have butter bronze for you. These things cost $28. And if I have not even finished my other liquid one, and I got this one because it's a different color. And I wanted this color, so I don't know what to tell you. And they don't have it in Ulta or, well, Sephora. They don't have it in Sephora, so you can just try them out and see how it looks, sadly. So you have to buy it, and if it don't work, return it, I guess. I don't know how that goes, or give it away. But this is Honey HAWTIE for you. There it is. Alright, I hope you like that. And to me, I feel like that ain't even a lot. I feel like that ain't a lot. And you can take it up there, you know what I mean? Yeah, you could take it all the way up. I'm gonna finish my face with it, and I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so this is it. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Me shining. Killawatt. This is her. And I just put a little bit on my nose. There. Go. I'm not really going anywhere to be doing my makeup like real good right now. So, but I just wanted to get on and show you all what she looks like. Honey HAWTIE. I hope I helped you pick the right color for yourself. And so if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more. See you next time. Oh, just a cool tip. If you're still here, if you don't know this, if you ever put on too much highlighter, get a foundation powder or get some loose powder. And I'm going to use a loose powder because that's what I want to do right now. And you just dip your powder brush in there. Make sure you knock it off. There we go. And you just, in the area where you highlight it, or if you put too much blush on, too much highlighter, just go in that area and you just soften it up with that, like that. Just like that, and it'll like tone it down. Or sometimes you can like put on a lot of highlighter, put on a lot of blush, and tone it back down. It'll kind of give you that the same little effect that if you put on the blush and the highlighter beforehand. So you just do that like that. So, and it'll look like you're just glowing within, honey. Especially when you do the foundation powder. Look like you're glowing within. That's for those of you who stayed to the end of the video.